In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Webflow and WordPress. If you're caught in this common dilemma, you're not alone. Both platforms have their unique strengths and can cater to different needs, so let's dive in and find out which one is right for you. Let's start with Webflow. Consider choosing Webflow if what you really desire is design control without the hassle of technical setup. Webflow stands out as a visual-first platform, where everything is crafted within one integrated tool. This makes it especially appealing for those who appreciate a visual drag-and-drop interface that maintains a clean structure without the need for basic plugins. Alongside this, Webflow provides built-in hosting, security, and performance optimization, sparing you the time and effort of managing hosting, updates, or plugins. This platform is particularly well-suited for startups, SaaS websites, portfolios, marketing, landing pages, and agencies due to its faster setup process and strong control over layout, animations, and responsive design. However, it's important to be aware of some trade-offs with Webflow. The ecosystem is less flexible compared to WordPress, meaning you might find limitations if you're looking for an extensive range of features or integrations. Additionally, migrating away from Webflow can be tricky, and at scale, it may become more expensive. Now let's consider WordPress. Opt for WordPress if your priority leans towards maximum flexibility and ownership. WordPress operates as a modular system in which you can build your site using a combination of themes and plugins. If full control over your site's functionality is crucial, then WordPress is the way to go. The platform boasts a vast ecosystem, supporting everything from SEO tools to e-commerce, memberships, forums, and beyond. One of the significant advantages of WordPress is the ability to self-host anywhere, combined with lower-cost hosting options, making it a versatile choice for many. WordPress is explicitly beneficial for blogs and content-heavy sites, SEO-driven websites, large complexes with multifaceted features, and those who plan to build a long-term, scalable content platform. However, with great power comes great responsibility. WordPress requires regular maintenance, including updates and security checks, and managing potential plugin conflicts. The setup can be a bit messy if you're inexperienced, and performance tends to rely heavily on your choice of hosting and optimization. Ultimately, when deciding between Webflow and WordPress, consider your specific needs, skills, and future plans for your website. Whether you prioritize design control and a streamlined setup with Webflow, or crave the flexibility and extensive capabilities of WordPress, will guide you to the right decision for your needs. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you choose the best platform for your website.